Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be trying out a hair product in the $1 makeup haul that I did from ShopMissA. So I did a haul on ShopMissA makeup and skincare and beauty care. I'll link that up in the eye for you guys if you guys haven't seen that video. Obviously I wasn't sent to this product, I just purchased it myself. So this is the $1 hair mask. So this is the coconut oil hair Chemist limited 30% more deep repair mask. So it's a reconstruction for dry or damaged hair. And the instructions say apply mask to clean wet hair and comb through completely. Leave in for up to 7 minutes. Rinse thoroughly, no heat. Do not use more than twice a week. So I'm interested. There is a lot of different oils in this mask. So there is jojoba oil, there is cocoa seed butter, there is kernel oil, there is olive oil. There is just a bunch of different oils in it, and it says that it is a coconut oil. So I am interested in trying this out and seeing if it works with my hair or not, because my hair is chemically treated. So if you guys don't know what that means I have bleached my hair and I have colored my hair and I have done all of the things to my hair, as you can tell from my roots to my ends, that my hair is treated, chemically treated, and it's not doing horribly right now, but I mean, it could be better. So this is my lion mane that I have. So my hair is kind of still orangey, yellowy, really needs to be toned out, but as we are in isolation, that's not gonna happen at a hairdresser. So I might do it myself because I have a bunch of toners sitting here toying with me and tempting me, but I haven't done it yet. So I have really wavy, really long, really thick hair. My hair is fine but thick at the same time. I don't know if that makes sense. I have a lot of hair, but it is really fine. I have really wavy hair. So my hair is definitely, it has a mind of its own. So I definitely want to try out this product and see if I'm going to like it or not. So it says the directions are to apply it onto clean, wet hair and comb through. So I'm gonna go have a bath. I'm gonna go wash my hair and I'm going to apply this mask to it. So I don't need you guys really to see me applying this mask because you guys don't need to see me doing that. I'm gonna go to my bathtub, I'm gonna have a bath, I'm gonna wash my hair, and then I'm gonna apply the mask. So I'm gonna open the mask up for you guys though on camera just so we can see what it smells like, and I'm assuming coconut because it's a coconut mask. So it is a white mask. It is, it literally looks like conditioner. So it looks like that. Smells like coconut. Oh, that smells so good. Holy shit. That smells like I'm in Mexico. I'm in Hawaii. I'm in somewhere tropical. Got it on my nose. That is not here. Holy crap, that smells good. I have a purple shampoo that I've used in the past. I don't remember what brand it is. I got it at my mall like years and years ago, and it smelled exactly like this. It was a purple shampoo. Holy crap. I want to bathe in this. Well, I'm going to, but I want to cover this all over my body and always smell like this. Holy shit. Also guys, if you guys haven't recently watched my skincare video, that I did on the Dr. Brandt Eye Retinol Cream and on the Head in the Clouds Color Pop. This is the 4th Ray Beauty Color Pops thing that they have on their website. They have like 3 different stuff where you can get products. So this is the 4th Ray Beauty Head in the Clouds face milk. So if you guys haven't seen this video on me testing out these products, you guys should definitely go check that out. I'll link it up in the eye for you guys. But in that video, spoiler, I did say that the watermelon one was my favorite scent because it did smell really good, but that's not true. My favorite one that I've been using recently for the past couple days now, ever since I put up that video, has actually been the acai one, and it smells so good. I wish I had done the test on this one because I literally love going to bed with this scent. This smells like blueberries because acai is a very purpley blue berry. It looks very similar to a blueberry, but it's not a blueberry, but it is a very amazing antioxidant berry, and it is from the acai smell and it smells so good, and I just freaking love it, and I love it more than the watermelon one. So I said in my last video that I was probably going to order a bigger version of the watermelon one, and I think I'm actually going to order a bigger one of the acai one because I like the smell of that one the most, and it makes my skin feel so nice, and it looks so glowy, and yeah. So anyway, go watch that video if you guys haven't already seen it. I went really into depth and the ingredients, and it's like a 40-minute long video. So if you guys are bored in quarantine and you guys want to see more of my face, go watch that video. But for the time being, I am going to go downstairs and that's where my bathroom is. I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna have my bath and I'm going to use this hair mask. So I have used masks in this kind of packaging before, and I usually really like them. I usually get them at like Walmart. They're like $3. I'll post the brand here that I usually get. And this smells so good. I'm so excited to go use this. I was kind of expecting more of like an oil because it said coconut oil. I wasn't really expecting like a mousse mask cream kind of texture. I was thinking oil. I don't know why. It says mask, but I was thinking that it was gonna be like a package of like oil. I don't know why, but that's where my mind went. So I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna use this product on my hair. So it says to apply the mask on clean, wet hair and comb through. So I'm gonna go downstairs with my brush. My brush really needs to be cleaned. It's really gross. So I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm going to do this mask, and I will be back to talk to you guys about how I'm feeling and what my hair looks like, because right now it is a hot mess. So I'm gonna go do that and then I will be right back. As you can hear my dogs in the background, they wanna go for a walk. So I just got out of the bathtub and I dried my hair a little bit with just a towel. So now I'm gonna go dry my hair with my hair dryer, and these are the products that I'm going to be using on it. So this is the Replenishing Detangling Care. Okay, my husky won't stop. So this is the Replenishing Detangler that I use, and this is the Total Repair Protein less breakage, just kind of conditioner that like a leave-in conditioner that I use. It's for extremely damaged hair. It is a deep repair leave-in thing. And then I'm just going to be using my wet brush. So just from using the product on my hair, without any of those products, my brush does glide through my hair pretty nicely, but I do think that is because the mask does have a dimethicone in it. So I will be talking more about the ingredients when I come back from blow drying my hair and walking my dogs. So I will be right back. Okay. So I am back now from my walk with my dogs. They're now quiet. And I have just blow dried my hair. So you guys can see the big difference between when I first came on in my video and now after I blow dried my hair and brushed it. It is a lot straighter. To talk about this product. So where did the product go? Oh, I left it in my computer room. This is the Coconut Oil Hair Chemist Limited Mask. You get 1 ounce of product and it retailed for $1.24 or something on their site. It was $1. Like wasn't more than $2. It was very cheap. So let's talk about some of the ingredients and about why my hair feels the way it does. So my hair feels really nice right now. It does feel really soft. It feels really silky. I can run my brush through it really, really easily. I did use my detangler just because that's what I always use, and then I did follow it up with my hair protectant cream by L'Oreal, just because I'm not going to blow dry my hair without using a hair protector. So those are the 2 products that I used with this cream, but this cream mask did make my hair feel really nice. The consistency was really nice. I didn't find that the mask was very thick. It did kind of have like an oily texture to it when I was running it through my hair. My hair did absorb it really, really quickly though, because I do have on the more dry side of the hair molecule, like my hair is very, very dry. So I did find that it absorbed this mask really quickly. It said to leave on for up to 7 minutes. I left it on for probably about half an hour just because I like to get the most out of masks, and I leave masks on for a lot longer than necessary. I do the same thing with hair dye. I do the same thing with a lot of things. So I did leave it on for way longer than it recommended, but that is my own discretion. That was my own choice. So if you guys don't feel comfortable with doing that, then obviously follow the directions. I chose to leave it on for a little bit longer because that's just what I wanted to do, and I was also in the bath and I kind of forgot about it. So I left it on for about half an hour. My hair feels really, really nice. It looks good, it feels good. I would say for $1, this is definitely a mask that I will definitely be repurchasing, and the scent smells absolutely amazing. Even my boyfriend said, he said that the mask smells like summer to him, so it has like a very tropical scent and he really liked it. So that is a plus. Now to talk about some of the ingredients. So I did look at some of the ingredients just because I wanted to know what was in the mask and wanted to know why my hair felt the way it did with the ingredients that are in this mask. So the first ingredient I looked up was the coconut oil. So coconut oil in hair care, this is what I got off of Google. So this is just findings off of Google. You guys can do your own research. I recommend doing your own research and looking up ingredients for things. So coconut oil is a natural way to help your hair grow longer, thicker, and faster. The vitamins and essential fatty acids naturally found in coconut oil nourish the scalp and help to remove sebum buildup from hair follicles. So it is helpful to remove buildup in your hair, and it helps with moisturizing and just keeping your hair thicker and growing it better. So that is what the benefits of coconut oil in hair care is. So the next one that I looked up was another ingredient was cocoa seed butter. I wanted to know what that was for. So it is used in the formulation of bath products, fragrances, cleansing products, and eye and facial makeup, hair conditioners, skincare products, and suntan products. Theobroma cocoa seed butter, also slows the loss of water from the skin by forming a barrier on the skin surface. So that's what it was for skin and hair. So it is used in a lot of hair care and skincare products. So that's just what it said on Google. It just says that it also slows the loss of water from the skin by forming a barrier on the skin surface. So that's what that's for. Jojoba oil has an oily composition, so it can be used as a moisturizer. Because it strengthens hair, it is also thought that jojoba can prevent hair loss and promote hair thickness. The idea behind this is that the oil moisturizes hair follicles, which prevents dryness that leads to hair loss. So it helps moisturize your hair. Olive oil moisturizes your hair and reduces scalp irritation, which further reduces dandruff. Just heat up a cup of olive oil and massage into your hair generously, especially on the scalp and the ends. That's really interesting. Maybe we'll try that in the future. So it just helps with reducing irritation. The next one was almond oil for hair. So almond oil contains the right ingredients for hair, like omega-3 fatty acids, phospholoids, vitamin E, and magnesium. Using almond oil helps nourish and promote the health of your hair and is an optimal way to treat hair loss and damaged hair. A few drops of almond oil will add shine and will add shine and shine to the hair, okay? Will add shine and shine to the hair. Beeswax, this was another ingredient. It is used to moisturize. One of the biggest benefits is moisture. Smooth and straighten. People who find their hair difficult to manage also use beeswax to smooth flyaway strands, keep styles intact, and strengthen your hair. Seal strands, promote hair growth, and soothe scalp conditions. I also read something online that said that some people use beeswax in hair removal things, so it is like a common ingredient in wax, like hair removal wax, so keep that in mind. Another thing that I noticed that was in this product was the silicone. So there is dimethicone in this mask. So if you guys don't like masks with silicones in it, then you won't like this mask because it definitely does have a dimethicone ingredient. So dimethicone is a very popular silicone found in a lot of hair products. It is added into conditioner and styling products as it's said to help control frizz and provide an extra slip. Like most silicones, dimethicone helps products to become easily spreadable. So the thing with silicones and dimethicones and stuff that a lot of people don't like is they don't like the fact that it kind of almost coats your hair in like a plastic seal, and it makes it so that your hair looks shinier, it feels shinier, it's softer, but that's because it's actually coated in like a plastic, it coated in a silicone, and a lot of people don't like that because they say that it creates a barrier for moisture so that your hair actually will feel and look shinier, but the actual hair molecule will not be getting the correct amount of moisture, so it can actually dry out your hair. So excessive use of silicones on your hair can actually result in drier, brittler hair. So that's what I've read on Google. Do your own research, obviously. But that's why a lot of people say that they don't like to use silicones in hair care, because it can actually result in more damage done to your hair. I personally use products with silicones in them. I don't use them every single day, obviously, but I do use products that have silicones in it, like my masks, my L'Oreal. On this line, this is the L'Oreal Total Repair line. I do have a mask from it, and it does have a dimethicone in it, and I don't use it every single day, but I do use it semi-regularly. I use it maybe once or twice a week. So I do use products that have silicones in it, and they also say that it can take up to 1 to 3 washes to wash out all of the silicone from your hair, so it can be harder to remove from your hair. So that is something to keep in mind. I was looking up dimethicone in hair care before I came back on here, and it says dimethicone does not make the hair heavier and protects it from damage. So this was something I read that was for dimethicone in hair care products. So it said dimethicone does not make the hair heavier and protects it from damage, enhances its shine, makes it easy to brush. Silicone in the styling products also give an excellent thermal protection from negative environmental factors like frost and ultraviolet light. Shampoo and conditioners with silicone allow you to achieve a quick visual effect and makes it much smoother. These tools are suitable for thick and curly hair. In addition, the silicones in composition will help glue together the split ends. Dimethicone does not dissolve in water and can hold onto your hair for 3 to 4 shampoo applications. To wash the silicone from the hair, it is enough to wash your hair with shampoo that contains a sulfate. Dimethicone, however, should not be used by people with a hypersensitivity. So I was looking up the pros and cons to it because I didn't know if that side of my Google research was true or not. So I looked up from another website, and it said, the pros of dimethicone. Dimethicone forms a barrier on the outer layer of the hair, which helps to smooth the cuticle. It can make the hair appear to be frizz-free and have an extra shine. It is also added to many heat protectants as it can help protect the hair from heat damage against thermal styling. Dimethicone does create a water barrier on the hair, but it does not fully prevent water from exiting or entering. So that was the pros of it, and this is the cons. It says, if you follow the curly girl method, I've heard of this before, but I've never done it. Because silicones are made to repel water and form a seal around the cuticle, it will prevent this absorption of water, ultimately drying out the hair since the hair can't be properly moisturized. It will weigh the hair down. So this one says that it will weigh the hair down, the other one said that it will not. So it says, weigh the hair down and prevent the natural curl shape from forming. Because silicones like dimethicone do require harsh sulfates for full removal, sulfates also dry out the hair and can ultimately cause hair damage. So this one had a pros and cons. So the last one said that it wasn't going to weigh down your hair, and this one said it will weigh down your hair. So I think it really depends on your hair and what it's going to do with you. Everybody's hair and skin and body and everything is completely different and will react to things differently. So for me, silicones don't really weigh down my hair too much. They do a little bit. I can tell that there is a silicone in that product because my hair does feel a lot smoother. It feels a lot healthier. It looks healthier, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it is healthier. It just gives it an illusion that your hair is smoother. It's taming the frizz. It's easier to brush through, and that is why you can find silicones in a lot of cheaper end masks and hair care products. So a lot of people don't like silicones and dimethicones, so if you guys have any information on silicones and dimethicones and everything in that area, please list them down below. I will always take more information on things and get more educated, because I'm not, obviously, I'm not a hairstylist, I'm not a hair professional. I don't know all of the ins and outs to all of the ingredients. All I know is what I've found from Google and just looking things up myself, and what I've been told from my friends and the people around me about silicones, and a lot of people don't like them, and I've told you guys why. So I personally don't mind silicones. I do use shampoos with sulfates in them, so it does wash out very regularly. The shampoos I use are from this line again, so the Total Repair 5. I do use the shampoo and conditioner from it, so it will wash out anyway. So that is why I don't really mind for those ingredients, but I was interested in the other stuff and figuring out why coconut oil was good for your hair and jojoba oil and all of the other oils. But as for this mask itself, I definitely like it. I think I will definitely be repurchasing it in the future. I'll probably try a few of the other ones because there's more than just this mask on the ShopMissA website, so I'll definitely be trying the other mask. These ones, this one that I tried smelled absolutely amazing, and I really liked it. The only thing that I think I wanted was a little bit more. So it does say that it gives you 30% more for free, and I found that interesting because 1 ounce of product really isn't that much for a mask, for a hair mask, especially if you have really thick, really long hair. So if you have longer and thicker hair than me, I would recommend picking up 2 of these and using 2 of these for 1 application, because I found that this was almost not enough product for me. I have fairly long hair and it is very, very thick. It's fine but thick at the same time, so like I have a lot of hair. So I almost needed 2 of the packs. I only used 1, but I really wish I had another one to use, just because I didn't find that I got it as coated as I wanted it to. But I really liked this mask. As for it only being $1, $1.30 or whatever it was very inexpensive. I'll post the retail price here for you guys or somewhere else in the video. But it was very, very inexpensive, and I really liked the outcome. It smells so good. My hair feels good, it looks good, and it smells good. So that is basically hitting all of the components that I wanted from a $1 mask. So it does obviously have cheaper ingredients in it, like the silicone, so keep that in mind with these $1 products. You may not like the ingredients that are in it just because they are very inexpensive, so keep that in mind. But I liked it. I'll definitely be repurchasing it in the future because my hair does feel and look really, really nice, and I really liked the smell of it, and I don't mind silicones and dimethicones in my hair care products. Some people do, some people don't. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!